Hello students, today we are going to solve question number 6. It's on page number 164 of admission of partner. So first I am going to read out the problem. Rushali and Leena are equal partners in business. Their balance sheet as on 31st March 2018 stood as under. So a balance sheet is given to you. Now first we will put the tick mark on the adjustment items. They decided to admit Aparna on 1st April 2018 on the following terms. The machinery and building be depreciated by 10%. So I will put a tick mark on machinery and building. Machinery and building. So the next adjustment, that is reserve for doubtful debts, is to be increased by 5,000, right? So increased by means you have to, it's already 1,000 given in your balance sheet. Now increase it to by 5,000, right? So we will see what the effects will be there while solving the problem. Next is bill receivable are taken over by Vrishali at the discount of 10%. So I will put an tick mark on bill receivable. Next adjustment is Aparna should bring 60,000 as capital for her 1/4 share in future profit. So Aparna is bringing only the capital, nothing is given about the goodwill. So in this problem the new partner is bringing only the capital but goodwill is not brought by Aparna. Next is the capital account of all partners to be adjusted in proportion in their new profit sharing ratio by opening current account of the partners. So this is about the new ratio. We have to calculate the new profit sharing ratio of the partner so as to do the capital account adjustment. So they have asked us to prepare profit and loss adjustment account, partners capital account and balance sheet of the firm. Along with these accounts we will have to prepare the bank account because in asset side it is given as cash in bank, right? This will be in our working note, but we will not be preparing goodwill account as goodwill has not been brought by Aparna in the business. Starting with the posting, see first here is cash in bank. So I have prepared a bank account in rough work. So in debit side, to balance brought down, and here the balance was 62,000. This was the opening balance. See the next item is debtors. In inner column it is given as 31,000 less RDD 1,000, right? So in my balance sheet here I will write debtors, inner column 31,000 less RDD, but again we have an adjustment for RDD. So in inner, again in this asset column I have just written 1,000 plus, right? And we will do at the time of adjustment. Now the next one is what? Building 55,000. So my second asset is, so building inner column 55,000, right? Next item is machinery 24,000. So again in assets leave one line and write machinery inner column 24,000, right? Next is what? Next is bill receivable 12,000. So again it will come in the assets inner column, bills receivable inner column 12,000, right? So we have done the posting of the asset side. Now come to the liability side. In liabilities, sundry creditors, it's 90,000. This is misprinted in the inner column, right? It should be only in the outer column. So sundry creditors 90,000, it will come in the liabilities. So here in balance sheet liabilities I will write sundry creditors outer column 90,000. Next is capital account opening balances are given 45,000 and 35,000. So here is my capital account. So it's given in the liability side, so it's in credit balance. So by balance brought down, it's 45,000 and 30,000. Next is general reserve. So this general reserve will be distributed in the old partners in equal ratio as they are the equal partners. So it will come in partners capital account credit side by general reserve. Now see, the amount of general reserve is 18,000. So in my working note 1 for general reserve, 18,000 is to be divided equally. That is, I will divide it by 2 as there are two partners. So it will be 9,000. 2 9s are 18. So it is 9,000, right? So the amount here, it will be 9,000, 9,000, right? Next. Now see, we have completed with posting of all the assets and liabilities. Now I will start with the adjustment. The machinery and building to be depreciated by 10%. So in my working note, machinery 10% depreciation. So the machinery amount is 24,000. So on 24,000, 10%. So 2 zeros get cancelled. So 240 into 10, that is 2,400. This is depreciation, means it is the decrease in the value. Now for building, see, my building amount is 55,000. 55,000, again it is 10% on building. So 2 zeros get cancelled. So 550 into 10, that is 5,500. Again it is what? Decrease, right? So we will give the two effects now. So machinery, it's decrease as it is depreciation. So we will write this whenever there is decrease in the asset, then we will write in the debit side of profit and loss account to machinery account 2,400, to building account 5,500. This is the first effect. Now for second effect, in my balance sheet asset side, I will less in building 10% depreciation, that is 5,500. So it will come in outer column, it will be 49,500, right? Same way for machinery, less 10% depreciation, that is 2,400. So in outer column it will be 21,600, right? Now, so in outer column it will be 21,600. Now see the next one. It is reserve for doubtful debts to be increased by 5,000. Now students, this is a very important adjustment, as already in your balance sheet RDD is given as 1,000, right? Sometimes here instead of by they will write 2, right? Here see the statement, read the statement twice. Reserve for doubtful debts to be increased by 5,000, मतलब जितना भी है उससे आपको 5,000 उसको बढ़ाना है, मतलब 5,000 और बढ़ाना है, right? By means you have to increase more 5,000, right? So your RDD will now become, it is already, see in my working note, RDD is already 1,000. You have to increase by, that is plus 5,000. So it will become 6,000. In some problems it may happen that they will say RDD to be increased to 5,000. अब जब बोलेंगे to 5,000 मतलब RDD आपका 5,000 होना चाहिए. अब पहले से कितना है? 1,000 है, तो आप सिर्फ कितना बढ़ाओगे? 4,000. But in this problem it is by 5,000. So you will add 1,000 plus 5,000, that is what? 6,000. So again this is increase, right? So for this, the two effects, first I will give it here only in balance sheet. 1,000 it is already there, so 1,000 plus 5,000 becomes 6,000. So 31,000 minus 6,000, outer column it will come to 25,000. This is the first effect. Now see the second effect. It will come in profit and loss adjustment account to RDD account. Here you will write only 5,000, right? Because 1,000 is already there in the balance sheet. Okay. Now see the next adjustment. Bill receivable are taken over by Vrushali at the discount of 10%. Now bill receivable is an asset, right? Now see, bill receivable amount is how much given? 12,000. So it is taken at 10% discount. So 10% discount means 1200 is the discount, right? So relating to bill receivable, I am getting three amounts. One is 12,000, which is there in the asset side. Now Vrushali is taking this. This is what? Discount, right? 1200. So when I deduct it, the amount will remain 10,800. So these are the three amounts which are related to bill receivable. This is already in your balance sheet asset, right? आपका 12,000 का एसेट है, वृषाली ने लिया है 10,800. तो ये जो अमाउंट है 10,800, दिस विल कम इन वृषालीज अकाउंट. नाउ व्हाट अबाउट दिस 1200? दिस इज डिस्काउंट. रिसीवेबल इज एन एसेट एंड इट इज डिक्रीजिंग बाय 1200. सो दिस इज नथिंग बट decrease, right? So this is already there in the balance sheet. This discount will go to P&L adjustment account and this will go to Vrushali's capital account, right? So now for discount I will give the effect here. First effect, to bills receivable account 1200, because your asset is decreasing, right, due to this discount. So first effect, it's a loss, so that's why it will come in profit and loss account, debit side. This is my debit side and this is my credit side, right? Now bill receivable in the balance sheet asset side, that is what? Less discount. That is what? How much? 1200, right? So when I deduct 1200 from 12,000, I will get 10,800. So less taken over by Vrushali. This has been taken over, full 10,800. So in my outer column there is dash. We never write zero in outer column, right, in accountancy. So we put a dash. Dash means nothing is remaining, because वो अगर वृषाली ने बिल रिसीवेबल ले लिया तो आपके एसेट में अब बिल रिसीवेबल नहीं दिखेगा, right? So when any asset is taken over by partner, it will come in the partner's capital account, debit side. Here I will write to bills receivable account, right? And the amount is, and this is taken by Vrushali, so it will come in the Vrushali's column, 10,800. Now it is, why it has come to in the debit side? Because see here my bill receivable account, so it's an asset, so opening balance is the debit balance. Here it will be by discount 1200, by Vrushali's capital account 10,800. So my entry will be Vrushali's capital account debit 10,800, discount account debit. This discount account is nothing but profit and loss adjustment account debit 1200 to what? Bill receivable account 12,000. Okay, that's why it will come in the partner's capital account debit side. Okay, bill receivable is taken by Vrushali, so cash is not coming. Suppose cash is coming in the business, so we will have done the entry cash account debit to bill receivable, but here cash is not coming. But it doesn't mean that Vrushali is नॉट पेइंग इन कैश मीन्स विशाली को फ्री में मिल रहा है बिल रिसीवेबल, ऐसा नहीं है. सिर्फ इतना डिस्काउंट में मिल रहा है, पर बाकी ये अमाउंट वो पे करेगी. लेकिन कैसे कर रही है वो? कैश में नहीं कर रही है वो. उसके हम क्या करेंगे? अगर कैपिटल अकाउंट मैंने हमेशा बोला है दिस इज़ क्रेडिट साइड, सो इट इज़ प्लस. दिस इज़ डेबिट साइड, दैट इज़ व्हाट? माइनस. मीन्स शी इज़ नॉट पेइंग कैश, सो व्हाट आई विल डू, आई विल राइट इन दी डेबिट साइड. मतलब मैं उसके अकाउंट से कितना पैसा ले रही हूँ? 10,800. बिजनेस विल टेक लेस दिस from her capital account. So in this way it will be adjusted. That's why this bill receivable will come in the debit side. Okay. So now the next adjustment we have done with the bill receivable. Next is Aparna should bring 60,000 as capital for her 1/4 share in future profit. So what is the entry for this? Cash, that is here it is bank account. Bank account debit to Aparna's capital account. So in my bank account debit side I will write to Aparna's capital account, and she is bringing how much capital? 60,000, right? सो बैंक अकाउंट के डेबिट में आ गया, तो अपर्णा के कैपिटल अकाउंट के क्रेडिट में आएगा बाय बैंक अकाउंट 60,000, right? See the next one. The capital account of all partners to be adjusted in the proportion of the new profit sharing ratio by opening current account of the partners. So here first we will have to calculate the new ratio. So first we have to calculate balance of 1. So balance of 1 is what? 1 minus new partner's share. So new partner is coming for 1/4, right? Aparna is coming for 1/4 share. So the remaining is what? 3/4. So now new ratio of Roshali. What is the formula for this? Old ratio into balance of 1. So old ratio is half into balance of 1 is 3/4. So it will become 3/8, right? Same way for next partner is Leena. So for Leena again she is the equal partner. So same way half into 3/4. So this will become 3/8, right? And Aparna's share is what? Aparna was coming for 1/4. So now as denominator is 8, I have to make this as 8. So I will multiply it by 2. So it will become 2/8. So my new ratio is 3:3:2. Right? Now my capital has to be adjusted into this new ratio. Now for the formula for this is, first we have to calculate. There are 3 steps as in calculating this. First step is to calculate the new ratio. Second step is to calculate the total capital, and third step is to calculate the capital of partners, right? These are the 3 steps we have done with the new ratio. Now we are calculating the total capital of the firm. So there is a formula for this. So for 1/4 share, Aparna is bringing 60,000 as capital. So what is the total capital? That is what? 60,000 into 4. That is same as the formula reciprocal of new partner share. What is the reciprocal? 1/4 का reciprocal होता है 4 into new partner capital. तो total कितना हो गया? 2,40,000. So this will be my total capital, right? Now in this total capital, this is of the firm total. This is firm's total capital. So from this we have to distribute in this new ratio, that is 3:3:2. So for Vrishali, capital balance, what will be? New ratio is what? 3/8 into 2,40,000, right? So 8 ones are 8 threes are what? 30,000 into 3, that is what? 90,000. Same way for capital balance, again she is 3 up, her share is new share is 3/8 into 2,40,000. So same again she will get 90,000. And Aparna we already know, right? Aparna is bringing 60,000. So my new partner's capital account balance will be 90,000, 90,000 and 60,000. This is of Vishali, this is of Veena, right? And Aparna. Capital account as to balance carried down, right? 90,000, 90,000, 60,000, and this will be written in my balance sheet in liabilities as capital account, Rushali 90,000, Veena 90,000, Aparna 60,000, and the total is 2,40,000. Right? Now we have done this adjustment. Now we will close the profit and loss adjustment account first. See, there is no item in credit side, so here the total of debit side will be 14,100. So here also I will write 14,100. Nothing is to be deducted. It means that it is loss on revaluation, transfer to partners capital account. Right? So this will be 14,100, and this loss will be distributed among Vrushali old partners, that is Vrushali and Veena. Now 14,100, it will be divided by 2 because there are two partners and they are equal partners, so it will become 2 sevens are 14, 0 I will put, so it will become 10, 2 5s are 10, so 7,050. So 7050, 7050. This loss on revaluation, it is in the credit side, so it will be transferred to partners capital account in debit side. So here I will write to profit and loss adjustment account, and this is nothing but loss, right? So 7050, 7050. Okay, now this account will be closed, and whatever is the balance of this account, they have told that we have to adjust in new profit sharing ratio, that we have already done. Now whatever balance we will get, that will be transferred to the current account of the partners, right? The total of this side of Vrushali column is 1,07,850. From this, when I deduct 54,000, that is 45,000 plus 9,000, I will get a balance of 53,850. Same way here it is 97,050. From this, when I will deduct 39,000, I will get 58,050, right? And this is the Aparna's column, 60,000, 60,000. So there is no balance here. Now this is the balancing figure. Already this balance carried down we have written in the balance sheet liability side. Now again this is the balance which is to be transferred to the partners current account. So here I will write by partners current account, and this is nothing but the balancing figure. So whenever we get the balance this side, we write it in the balance sheet liability side. But when we get the balance of partners capital account this side, we will transfer it to the balance sheet. This is what deficit, right? This is the deficit which has been transferred to the partners current account, right? So here I will write in asset side partners current account Vrushali and Veena, right? And the amount was 53,850 and 58,050. So when I will add it, I will get the amount 1,11,900, right? 1,11,900. So now we have closed the profit and loss adjustment account, we have closed the partners capital account, whichever is the balance, it came this side, that's why we have written in the asset side partners current account. Now we have to close the balance sheet, but before closing the balance sheet, we will have to close the bank account, right? So the bank account, this side total is 1,12,000. So 1,12,000, this will be my balance carried down, 1,12,000, right? So now this will be transferred to the balance sheet. So in balance sheet I will write here in asset side cash in bank, or you can write only bank, that is 1,12,000. Now I can close the balance sheet. So when I total both the sides, that is assets as well as liabilities, I will get the total as 3,30,000. 3,30,000, right? So my balance sheet is tallied. We have completed with this problem. Thank you.